Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to install WhatsApp on your PC or laptop. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like after the video. First of all, I will show you exactly how to do this. Alright, the first step that we need to do is go left in the bottom and search here for Microsoft Store, just like this. Then click on it. Then we search here for WhatsApp in the search bar. WhatsApp, there it is. And then make sure that you install WhatsApp. So he's installing right now. Whoa, that's really quick. And then right now it's done. And right now we can open WhatsApp just like this. Now, first of all, we need to install WhatsApp or set up WhatsApp. So we click now on Get Started. Take your phone, go to Settings and click on Link Device and make sure that you link your device to your PC, so scan this QR code. Alright, right now he's downloading recent messages and he's linking WhatsApp to this WhatsApp app. And right now, if you can see, he linked WhatsApp. So right now we can use WhatsApp on our PC. And alright, there's one thing that we need to do to make it more easy to open WhatsApp. What we need to do now is go to the search bar, click right, search for WhatsApp when it's not standing there, but right here, click to this, and then click here to pin to taskbar. So right now, every time when we are here on our PC and we click here on WhatsApp, he will load WhatsApp immediately. So this is exactly how this works. And again, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.